Rainy season in Bali started already, that's for sure. It's raining like this already for a few hours in all Bali like that. Wow, and the thunderstorm also. Wow. So the rain season is definitely arrived to Bali. That's 100% confirmed fact. I'm next to in the Sanur beach in Sanur, and I wanna explore a little bit of the area in the rain, because there are two spots in Bali in the rain what I really like. There is the Ubud and Sanur, but I don't really want to go to Ubud. I've been last time, and anyway they are flats and stuff like this, so Sanur will be much better. Suits much better for that today. All right, so this is the Sanur beach area. Just realized that the Look to Cafe is gone, unfortunately, because of the reconstruction of the, well, construction, not even reconstruction, but the construction of the promenade. So they have to give the space, and only little bit left. And here's the Look to Cafe. Hello. Everything is here very badly under construction. Rainy season in Bali. Ooh. It's very rainy here. Wow. And this area has changed dramatically a lot since I've been here last time, like 2 maybe 3 weeks ago. I drive my bike. Wow, it's like a big construction site right now. As someone comment like this actually, and that's true, the big construction site in Sanur right now. But I believe it's gonna be beautiful whenever they're gonna finish that, but not yet. The coffee place here, Pound Coffee, and the big lobster statue in Sanur. Some people sitting inside, because obviously what you can do right now in Bali if it's rainy like that, having beer, having coffee outside, inside I mean, or staying home in your villa, nothing in between. So I think the new promenade will look like this. They're gonna even avoid the temple. Its mate looks pretty cool whenever they're gonna finish it actually, I think. And I think they will use this material also as the new promenade. These tiles looks pretty nice, pretty solid. We have to wait, but meanwhile Sanur beach is the big construction site next to Segara village. But it's beautiful to walk while it's raining here. It's actually really refreshing. So basically they're gonna keep most of the characteristic places in Sanur, like Segara lobster, and there will be the path just simply going around, waiting for the final result, that's for sure. Few of you guys ask me multiple times about the Tutsi in Sanur. So, well, currently this is the Tutsi in Sanur, under the construction, outside sitting area, and quickly shot inside Tutsi and the beautiful temple in the rain. Sanur Hotel. There are changes, definitely. They built some sort of new, I don't know, war rooms, some sort of things like this. Yo, what's up? How you doing? Hello. It will be something. A lot of changes in Sanur. That's for sure. Well, what I can say, just enjoying the afternoon walk in Sanur while rain. I think I'm only the one person who walking here. Some people sitting in the restaurants but walking. Alright, I think I'm not gonna record myself too much because I have to hold the camera and umbrella is still quite rainy. And behind me is Sol on the beach, but unfortunately under the construction, like most of the things over here. Well, situation in the Sol on the beach. Totally demolished what was on the beach. I'm not sure if the restaurant inside is open. Yeah, they are still open inside. You can sit inside if you wish so, but here outside, everything, it's gone. Temporary, not permanently, temporary. Hello. So huge construction site right now. It's gonna looks like this. So here is beautiful example. It's gonna be wide, like 1-to-1, and if something is on the way, like, well, I'm not sure why here, but will be like extra corner, let's say, and that's how it's gonna be in the near future. I think this will be finishing this year still. All right, construction over there. Let's see how they are working in the rain. If I'm walking with the umbrella making video in the rain and they are working hard, they deserve a little bit of respect for me to record them. Well, at least these people have a job. It seems like they are happy just having a job. Or they even use some machine here. That's how it is. Hello. Working hard. Construction site. But yeah, meanwhile all the warungs around, they are gone. They didn't even cutting the trees. They avoiding them. So that's also good sign. Because everything will be nice here. And I think also as the second path will be maybe wider, maybe not, maybe the same. But well, here when was the line with the trees, oh my umbrella, with the trees, they keep the distance, trees, and another line here, like this, next to Kejora Villas. Alright, so this is the sand beach and the situation. Yo, what's up? Yo! Happy people. The construction here of this path, Promenade, is quite advanced. They're doing this actually pretty well. I mean, pretty fast, at least starting from this side. I'm gonna stand on it. Looks like this, slowly, 360. Also, I would like to apologize if the quality of today's video is slightly worse than usual, because first it's rainy, second is foggy, and also it's like when it's rain and it's hot, the lens is fogging very quickly, and I hold the umbrella and walking in the rain with the mask and things like this. Anyway, most of the vloggers, YouTubers out there probably stay home during the rain than doing anything, so you can enjoy. Anyway, from me. Also, if I'm already talking about that, somebody asked me what's going on here, the construction. I think there will be the private villas over here. I mean, there is already one. Umbrella. And also, if it's rainy, I would like to ask you guys, what are you doing usually in the day like this? When you are in Bali, let's say you are today in Bali and it's raining all day long, and depends of the situation and depends of the area where you will stay. Comment below, what are you doing when it's the full rainy day? Are you chilling in the swimming pool with the bintang, or staying in your room, hotel, villa, or maybe you are walking like me, exploring? Just let me know. I'm very curious about that. Also, I will get extra ideas for the next vlogs in the rain, because I think this year rain season will be definitely much more stronger than previous years. Comment below. The Art Hotel Beach Club, which is closed. Yeah, some kids sitting inside, but it's closed anyway. And the path, Promenade here will be like white, and where is the trees, they make it little bit smaller. But the sad thing is, I think they're not gonna fix this one, which is like an old Promenade, and old path in some places are like this, and I'm pretty sure and sad at the same time as they're gonna leave it like that. However, I hope so. They're gonna somehow they're gonna fix it. And well, currently, if I'm just actually walking here again and looking this, it looks not that good. It looks like devastated, like after the tsunami or something, because all of the warungs, they give them space, but at the same time seems like they destroyed what they had on the beach side. So they need to clean it for sure. They cannot leave it like that, otherwise it will be very ugly, but I think they will do it, right? So there at the front is the Sand Beach Club, and this is the swing of the 7 icons of Bali. So, well, I can confirm as this empty land, which is used for the parking area for the cars, for the Sand Beach Club, they will be used for the 7 icons. I think, if I'm not mistaken, here or next door, or maybe they're gonna extend to all of it, because next door is definitely land of the 7 icon, but this one is possibly also. Meanwhile, they're using stones like this for the making this promenade, and even they use the steel. Not so really actually solid, but they use it. So hopefully this will be good quality. That was the Sanur vlog. Again, short today, but okay, I promise you no more Sanur vlogs in this week, because probably some of you already are bored with that. See you tomorrow.